So hi everyone, next question. First of all, read the question carefully. Whether it is JEE NEET, always read the question carefully and apply your concept. The work function for cesium and lithium are 1.9 electron volt, 0.5 electron volt respectively. If we incident a light of wavelength 550 nanometer on these two metal surface, then the photoelectric effect is possible for the case of. Now, first of all, in which case photoelectric effect is possible, how will you decide? The incident ray which is incident on a photosensitive surface for example, if you take cesium, and then if you incident any photon is going to strike, its energy is E, and the work function for cesium is phi, let us suppose, then its energy must be greater than phi. If it is less than phi, then electron will not come out. So what is work function? Actually, it is the minimum amount of energy required for an electron to come out of the surface. Will come out of the surface. Understood? So if the energy is less than 5, then it will never come out of the surface, from the metal surface. So just check what is E. E formula is 1240 between lambda and nanometer. So if you put 12405 lambda in nanometer, the answer comes out to be electron volt. 0.25 electron volt. So energy is 2.25 electron volt. Now check. Work function of cesium is 1.9 electron, while work function for lithium is 2.5 electron volt. So whose work function is less than this E? Condition is work function must be less than E. Then only it will come out of the metal surface. So which option is correct? Only cesium. Lithium will not come out because its work function is 2.5 electron. That's good. So Einstein photoelectric equation, if you know, simply E is equal to work function plus kinetic energy. As you can say maximum, like here saying. That's true. So any doubt, like, thank you so much.